Hey guys, so today is the third day of my 30 days video challenge, and today we want to be talking about how to create landing pages and squeeze pages for your business. Highly converting landing pages are very essential if you're starting an online business. They have to be optimized for conversions, and that's something that a lot of people do wrong when they start a new online business, because they kind of fail to they try to build a website or something and make everything look pretty, but that doesn't really make sense and doesn't bring them anything, because people come to the site and don't do anything, because you need people to actually perform an action, meaning you need to get them to convert, either give you their email address or sign up for your Facebook Messenger kind of thing, or even buy something. So I want to show you exactly how to do this and how to kind of set up a funnel or a landing page, at least first of all, to really get started with your online business. So I want to show you this today, so let's jump straight to my screen right here and I will show you exactly how to do it. Alright guys, so in order to show you exactly how this works, I pulled up like two of my websites, right? Or two of our websites right here. So the first one I want to show you is our official agency site for Extreme Social. That's basically my company and stuff. And this is the official main website. And this is the problem a lot of people have when they start a new company, a new online company or something. They go out there and just create a site that is very general and very basic, and that doesn't really have anything where people can convert, like where people can actually perform an action or something, right? So this is a site that you should have for your company. So for example, for an agency right here, but this site specifically right here doesn't make me any money. It's just something that I can point people to if they ask me what I do, basically, right? And it has a bunch of links on it. So it's kind of like, it's different than a blog or different than an actual landing page where people can opt in. That's how we call it, basically, because it just summarizes everything that the company does, basically. What you really need is, and what you have to start out with, is an actual landing page that forces people to perform an actions. For example, one of my landing pages, one of my highly converting landing pages that converts around 40 to 50% right here, is a site called tubemillionaire.co, right? This is a page, really straightforward, right? You see the page and it immediately hits you with a message, right? How I've used YouTube to build an audience of more than 5 million people and build multiple 6 to 7 figure businesses online. Gain access now. So what are people going to do, right? They see that and they can either do two things. They can either click the button right here and give me their email address, or they can leave, right? So if 100 people go there, around 40 to 50%, meaning 40 to 50 people actually decide to give me their email address, right? And that's a pretty good rate right here. And also what I have right here is I have 4 free videos that I will show them if they give me their email address, right? And I only give it to them if they actually give me their email. So this is kind of like the entry thing to my funnel. And down here you can also see what we call a conversion proof app thing right here, where other people who land on the page can see people who previously opted in. So that also increases the conversion rate, right? This is kind of like an add-on thing that you can do in order to increase your conversions right here, right? So what people are going to do is they're going to sign up right here, and I will guide you a little bit through my funnel so you get the idea of how this works, right? So they want to see a video. They see how I made $50,000 with only one YouTube video, and another one, how people really make money on YouTube, how my student makes 10K a month on YouTube, and how I build a multi-million-dollar business using YouTube, right? So people actually see that, and they're highly interested in how to do that. They want to get this for free, and they will get it for free. And what they do is they click on here, give me their email, and right now, once this happened, their email address is automatically added to our autoresponder, right? So it's automatically added, and what will happen in the backend is they will get an email with the first free video that I sent them, and the next day, like 24 hours after that, they will get the next video, and that will continue for 3 more days until they have received all the 4 videos that I have promised them. And after that, I will hit them with more free content, and also invitations to like free webinars and stuff like this, where I will later on sell them stuff. So where they landed on though right here, this is actually the wrong page. This is in this browser right here because I didn't clear my cache. But normally they land on a one-time special offer page where they have the chance, and I showed you guys this in the last video I think, where they have the chance to either sign up for like a one-time special offer where they can get a course for like $67 instead of $1,000, or they can proceed with the first free video, which would look like this right here, right? So they will either see this video right at the spot when they sign up, or by clicking the free link or the link that I sent them in the email right after they signed up. So what they do is they watch this 10-minute or something or 5-minute video right here where I explain to them how I'm at 50,000 with only one YouTube video, and there's a button that says, yes, I want to start learning today. So again, conversion, right? It's not just a pretty website or something where they can randomly do something, but it forces them to either sign up for something or don't. Okay, so when they click right here, what happens is it will take them to a free webinar right here. My simple strategy is making me $2,000 a day by reverse engineering YouTube. And here they can actually schedule a date and an exact time that they want to sign up for, or where they want to watch an actual webinar of mine, right? And that will be a webinar that's like 1 hour long. They will watch the whole thing on a live stream where they can engage with me and chat and stuff, right? And in the end, you sell them something, right? You sell them a product, sell them a course, sell them a software, whatever, right? So this is basically the entry to your funnel, right? So in the back end, there's a lot of stuff happening. There's me sending them emails, as I already said, but what you also have to understand is that every single page right here, as you can see right here in the top right corner of my browser, it's a Facebook pixel manager, right? So this means my Facebook pixel is actually installed on these pages. So the whole behavior of these people is actually tracked, right? So I know exactly who's opted in and who didn't, right? Who landed on the one-time special offer page and who didn't, right? So I can later on retarget them, having all of this stuff in my mind. I can later on retarget them on Facebook, sending them special offers, or just sending them or showing them ads, video ads, or whatever kinds of ads, just sometimes written ads like picture ads and stuff like this, so they can opt in to my actual webinars where I later on sell them something. What a lot of people try to do though is they think they can start an online business, a profitable online business, just simply by directly linking people to some offer or something where they immediately buy. And this works for some businesses. For example, if you're doing drop shipping or Shopify, whatever, this is probably the only thing where it works. This is probably the only thing where you can basically link people directly to like an e-commerce page, and then they sign up for like and buy a product, like buy any kinds of products that people tend to sell there. But when you have an actual business where you try to like either teach people something or trying to sell courses and stuff or software, you have to actually get people in a funnel by having a highly converting landing page, so you get as much out of your traffic as possible, get people to the in your actual funnel, and in the back end you sell them something, right? And as you already know, the money is always in the back end when it comes to these online businesses, right? So when someone signs up right here, and even if he actually signs up for like a course, like for a discounted amount or something, like a one-time special offer, that's not where the real money is made, right? You can still make some profit with that, but that's not really where the real money is made. You will either make a little bit of profit or just make your advertising dollar back, right? This is basically how it works. The real money is then in the back end, where in the course you, for example, talk about softwares and stuff, and then you sell them the software that's like a monthly recurring software or a service or something that's monthly recurring, and people will sign up for that, and that money that you get through these recurring revenue types of business or types of products, that's where you can stack it up, right? Because if you get 100 people in there who buy something from you for $60, you made $6,000 in that month. Let's say you did that in 1 month. Let's say you do that stuff another month. Let's say you do that again the next month, you're already making $12,000, right? Because it is actually stacking up. Because when you just do one-time sales, and that's like a lot of people try to do that. They try to publish courses and stuff that they can sell, even if it's just like for $100 or $200. They think they can make a lot of money doing that. But the reality is, the only way you can make a lot of money doing that is when you're actually when you reach some type of status or some type of fame already. Like, let's say you have 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, or even 200,000 or something, some of your videos go viral or something, then you can do that, right? Then you can, at least for a specific amount of time, make some good money doing that. But for 99% of the businesses, online businesses out there, this is not how it works. 99% of the businesses out there, they work exactly how I told you right now, where you send people to one landing page, get them into a funnel, and stack it up that way, or scale it up that way. There's the biggest businesses, the biggest online businesses out there, like there's online businesses out there make like 200, 500 million a year, and the people who own these businesses, I heard them say they are okay with if a person comes into their funnel, like through a page like this, they're okay with not breaking even on that person or that customer for like 6 months. So these guys say if they break even like with these clients after 6 months, that's still a pretty good rate, right? So let's keep that in your mind if you're starting a business right here and don't make money or don't make a profit right away. And these are big players, right? So if these guys are big players, I know a lot of you guys are just starting out. You can't really do that because you don't have the money yet to wait that long to actually break even and make a profit on people. So that's the thing where you really have to hustle in the beginning, right? You just have to try to find something where you can actually make some quick buck, make a quick buck here and there, and later on reinvest that money for better landing pages, better ads, increase your conversion rates, and create better products, so you can eventually get to the point where you can actually create or calculate the lifetime value of a customer, and then really go hard on these ads and increase the ad spend. Otherwise, it won't work. And that's not just that's not just something that you can do within a week or two. This will take a few years to really, if you really plan to scale this up to like $1 million or even making hundreds of thousands of dollars online. It's not that easy. It will not happen overnight for most people, unless, of course, as I already said, you go viral, actually become famous in your industry, which is something that 99% of people will never ever reach in their whole lives. So if you're serious about this, keep in mind that it will take time, but you need highly converting stuff. With most people out there, they just try to go out there and create a blog or something and send people there and put a nice article up, but that will not make you any money, okay? This is not how it works. So that's it for today with this video right here. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to click like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video that will go up tomorrow, of course, because it's a 30 days challenge right here. And yeah, see you soon. Be sure to like and subscribe, and yes.